welcome to my channel. My name is and I'm a boat builder. I've been talking in a couple of videos about a surprise or something to be coming, and now I'm on my way to collect a sponsorship. So I'm super excited. I don't know much more about it, but I know it's gonna help the project very much, and I'm super happy about it. So it is this big mall in Finland, chain shop that sells everything but food and lumber, and okay, many other things too, but it has over 300,000 products in its selection. So I'm now here on my way and arriving to the mall shortly. So bear with me, and I will. The person who is giving the gift card didn't want to be. They're like, yeah, you can come with the camera, but don't show my face on it. So I'll try not to do that. So here we go, and see you guys in a sec. I'm now arriving to the shop. It's called Kärkkäinen, and Kärkkäinen, biggest individual store in Finland. It says Kärkkäinen, so you can buy more. Simple. So I'm now gonna go meet the guy. So here we are. Getting stuff. I'm happy this sponsorship has started, and I'm now getting the essentials for protecting the boat and the wood. Tung oil and some fungus protection, and of course new microphone for GoPro and GoPro stuff. So I'm gonna spend here some time. There's a 3,500 square meters of shop. No, 35,000 square meters of shop here, so plenty of stuff to choose from. I highly recommend it if you're in this part of Finland. Or kaikille suomalaisille tervetuloa Kärkkäiselle. Täällä on hyvät valikoimat. Hello guys! I have good news and bad news. I was supposed to show you what I got from my sponsor, and I dropped them off yesterday at the boat. I did a little fixing on the tarp, and because it was a huge storm coming, and so I got everything tidied up, and today I was going to come back and show you the stuff. And then I came here. First of all, I'm gonna show you, this is the stuff I got. Huge 10 kilowatt Timco diesel heater, so it should be enough to keep the whole tent warm, and lots of gloves and sanding supplies, and then some tung wood oil. But let me show you what had happened when I came here. I was like, okay, it's a little bit too windy considering that it's all tarred up. And I came here and ta-da! It's ripped apart entirely. The entire side of the boat completely ripped apart. So the storm was way too heavy. And now I had to start fixing that. I don't know how, because I cannot knit the entire tarp, and I don't think if I start playing with the tape, any amount of tape is enough to fix that and hold it strong enough. And another one, the roof collapsed. So it was pretty bad storm, because this has withheld over 2 years with the storm in the same location. So yeah, it's not very comforting or convincing sight right now, but oh, man gotta do what man gotta do. So I'm going to, with my friend's help here, to tidy it up a little bit, and hopefully I can make it tidy again, because this now is a big fail to the extreme weather. So hang in there. Once this is done, I have it here, I have the stuff, so soon enough I'm gonna start posting the restoration videos more often, because I'm being way too busy for this project, which is unfortunate, because I feel like I owe you guys with the support that you've been giving me in the very early stages of this project. So there's many years to come, so hang in there, and thanks for your support and encouragement. So later, dudes and women, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen.